Dahil nga nasa US na si Baby Tali, na kay mommy na, I'm glad na ma-experience na niya yung pagmamahal ng isang mommy. And I am sure Mommy T will give her everything and will give her best for Baby Tali. Ibang klaseng magmahal ng mga nanay eh. They will give everything. I'm glad na magkaka-memories na rin sa kanya si Mommy T. A lot of people would ask an update about Baby Tali. Rest assured, she is well taken care of. Nabibisita ko din. My partner, si Papa John, is also a private person. Kaya kung napapansin nyo, hindi siya masyadong ma-post or madalas ako ang nasa social media kasi hindi rin siya ma-social media. And I am also respecting his choices. With Baby Amara naman, okay din kami ni Mami S. Marami rin kaming inaayos. And now, lumilipad na kami and hopefully makalipad kami soon together with Papa John and see the world. And to sum it all up, I am just grateful and thankful to Father God who allowed everything to take place. I am so thankful and grateful to the moms who gave me the chance to live this ultimate dream. And I would also like to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for supporting us and for being there. This platform has helped me as well in sharing to all of you that we, LGBT people, could also have and build a family too. Tapos, ang susunod naman is mag-Q&A na tayo. Pwede akong sumagot ng mga questions ninyo, but please understand na hindi ako kagad makakasagot, but I will try my best kasi magiging busy na talaga ako with flying. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!